Kayo pong lahat ay inaanyayahan ko makibahagi sa One Good Vote. One Good Vote. Paano nagiging good ang isang vote? Iisa lamang ang dahilan. Ipasok natin ang Diyos sa ating boto. Sapagkat kahit anong hawakan ng Diyos, kahit anong madampian ng grasya ng Diyos, ay nagiging mabuti. Sana alagaan natin ang ating boto at hayaan nating dampian ito ng biyaya ng Diyos. Because everything touched by God becomes good. Everything touched by God becomes holy. Remember, my dear brothers and sisters, your vote can bring heaven to the Philippines. Your vote can also bring hell to the Philippines. Your vote with God becomes good, and if your vote is good, you bring heaven here on earth. Paano natin lalabanan yung kasamaan sa ating lipunan? Palagi nating naririnig, vote buying. Huwag tayong sasama sa vote buying. Subalit hindi po sapat na iwasan natin ang vote buying. Ang ibig sabihin ng one good vote, one intelligent vote. Ang ibig sabihin ng one good vote, one discerned vote. Huwag boboto kung hindi nagdasal. Huwag boboto kung hindi pinag-isipan. Huwag boboto kung hindi ito galing sa Diyos. WWJD. What would Jesus do? What would Jesus do is what I will do. Kung si Jesus ang boboto, paano siya boboto? Intelligent vote, discerned vote, vote with God, one good vote.